How to slip mount a bench grinder to save on space. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned to the end of this video for a very important pro tip. First thing you want to do, tape a piece of printer paper down to your workbench. We have 4 screws, 2 different sizes, and 2 mount holes. Why? So you take your bench grinder, you set it on a piece of paper, right where you want it to be mounted, nice and flush. And then you take the smaller size screw, you find that hole. All you do is push down. Take the second screw, same thing on the other side. Push down. It doesn't matter if the screws stick or they don't. You'll see in a moment why. So now we take the 2 screws out of place. Take the grinder, move it. We've got 2 little dots on our paper, 2 little puncture marks, right where our measurements need to be. Okay, now you take the 2 longer screws and drill them in with a drill. These are Phillips head, by the way. Okay, and then you just take the paper, rip it right off. Take the grinder, slip it right down over the screws. So look at that. Comes right off real easy. Here's that pro tip I promised. Safety glasses on. And the whole point of this is about safety and control. Now you can also run this the other way, but be careful. Okay, if you decide that those screws are still in the way and they just can't be there, what you do is you just take them back out. We're going to use a file to knock out this little bit of wood burr. Okay, and then you're going to want to mark these holes so you don't lose them. Sometimes they will fill up with dust, debris. So just a little black circle around each one with a Sharpie marker. And then you're going to put a piece of clear tape over top of them. And you take your 2 screws. And you're going to want to tape them to the base of your grinder so you don't lose them.